In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from Printify to Shopify. We'll walk through connecting the official Printify app to your Shopify store and getting to the point where you can bring products in with just a few clicks. Start by opening your Shopify admin on desktop so you can easily access the sidebar. From the left-hand menu, head to Apps. If you see an option to add a new app, click Add Apps to open the app selection dialog. When the dialog appears, choose Shopify App Store to browse available apps. In the App Store, use the search bar and type Printify. To narrow results, choose the Print on Demand category. Then select the official listing called Printify, Print on Demand. This is the one you want for seamless product creation and automatic order routing. Click Add App or Install on the app page. Shopify may prompt you to confirm the installation and review permissions. Go ahead and approve by clicking Install again. If your store has multiple staff accounts or you manage several stores, double-check you're installing to the correct store and that you have permission to add apps. Once installation completes, you'll return to Shopify. If the app doesn't open automatically, find it under Apps and click Printify. Print on Demand to launch it. Inside the Printify window, choose Log in to existing Printify account. This ensures Shopify links to the account where your products, designs, and settings live. On the next screen, select Continue with Google if that's how you normally sign in, or use your standard Printify login method. You may be asked to pick your Google account and confirm access. It's normal to see the consent prompt more than once. Just continue until you're redirected back to Printify. After you're signed in and connected, you'll land on the Printify dashboard inside Shopify. Look for the onboarding panel and click Step 1. Create your first product. This is where the actual importing workflow begins. You'll choose a product type, pick a print provider, upload your design, and set variants, pricing, and mockups. When you publish from Printify, the product is automatically created in Shopify with your images, descriptions, and stock synced to Printify's catalog. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Before publishing, check your store's currency, shipping, and tax settings so pricing aligns. In Printify, verify your print provider location and shipping times for your target market. After you publish the product, switch back to Shopify's products page to confirm it appears, set visibility to online store if needed, and preview it on your theme. That's it. You've connected Printify to Shopify and reached the point where you can create and import products with confidence.